What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video of Instacart. It's early today, not as early as it should be, but it's 10:23. I literally just got here and got an order for $29, 40 something units, going 4 miles, and it's going towards the direction of where there's more stores. So I'm gonna go knock it out at this store, which this store is pretty good on having things in stock. So let's go knock this $29 order out and see what we can make of this Sunday. So I'll get back with you guys after we get this shopped. All right, guys, just got my second order for $22, going 2 miles for 32 items. So let's go ahead and knock this out, and I'll get back with you guys once we get this shopped. Oh, and the last order actually, it went okay. It was just a little bit difficult, not too bad though. So, but anyway, let's get in here and get this shopped. All right, guys, just got another order for $30, going I think it was like 2 miles. It's not far from the store. I don't remember. 24 items, 29 units. It should be pretty quick. So let's go ahead and knock this out real quick. I'll get back with you guys. Yo, I don't know what I gotta do to get this GoPro. I'm sorry, guys. This truck just like pulled out in front of me. I don't know what is wrong with people today. But anyway, yeah, so I don't know what's going on with this GoPro. It keeps saying an SD card format issue, but then I just turned my GoPro back on, and then this time it said repairing file, and then it said it repaired the file. I don't know if I need a new GoPro or what. I mean, this doesn't really catch that much damage. Like, anyway, that was a quick and easy drop off, and really a shop too. It's just that the seafood section at the deli was closed till 1:20. But I got all the rest of my shopping done, and the lady that I was complaining about in a few videos ago, not necessarily complaining about, but saying that I didn't get help with the ham and everything, like they skipped over me a few times. She's really nice, actually. She's been really friendly to me lately. I think it's because of that interaction, but we're cool. Like, we cool. And that's a word of advice to you guys. Like, if you can make friends with people at the store, they will help you out, like, for sure. Like, there's some that just, you know, are just negative, don't want to be at work or whatever. Kind of like some of us when we work in. But it's a lot of them. If you just be kind, they'll help you out. They'll go to the back and get shit for you. It's just, I don't know, just gotta treat people with respect and treat them how you would want to be treated. I know it sounds kind of not archaic, but just elementary or whatever you want to say that. But anyway, guys, we're at a total of 84. I'm not planning on going long, so if we don't break 100, we don't break 100. I got family in town. I want to spend time with them, so 84 is actually good for today. But I'm gonna go sit and see if we can make another $30 maybe, I don't know. But anyway, guys, I'll get back with you. All right, I just accepted another order, $38, going 6 miles. I think it's about like 50 or 60 something items. I don't like doing two-person shops, and it's mainly because of getting shit confused. Just makes it difficult. But we're gonna see what we can do, make it happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in here and get this knocked out real quick. Guys, welcome back. Today was pretty good. It's still daylight, as you can see, so I'm trying to dip out while it's daylight, obviously, because I'm just kind of sick of driving at night. And it's crazy because I feel like I'm getting back late, but really it's like 5 o'clock, 6ish, so it's not really late when I do. But I don't know. So yeah, we're finishing off today with a pretty good amount compared to what we typically do. So we got 123.74. Wish I could have made a little bit more, maybe if I would have got here earlier. But the orders were consistent, but not as big as I would like. I took a lot of good orders. So even though this last one was pretty big, it ended up being a little bit tedious, but it was a decent order. I went to the first house. The husband was like, damn, she ordered a lot. And I'm like, yeah. He's like, I'm sorry, man. And I'm like, no, I had 2 orders on this actually. He said, damn, you getting it? I'm like, yeah. He's pretty chill. But I don't know. Either way, we did pretty good. We got 123.74, so I'm pretty satisfied with that. I met my partial goal for the weekend. You guys are gonna possibly see something throughout, not this week, but the next week, pertaining to what I was trying to work for this weekend, which was really a course. I'm taking a course to hopefully help propel me and my businesses up to the next level, next tax bracket, to be quite honest. And yeah, so I mean, because I told, like before, I said I only plan on doing Instacart for a year, and it looks like everything's about to be transitioning it into even better than what I thought. So I don't know. It's I get butterflies, I get anxious about it, but it's just growth. It's literally just growth. So always challenge yourself, and remind yourself that like Instacart shouldn't be forever. You can't retire with this. It might not even be around all that long. Amazon might fucking buy it and consolidate everything. But yeah, just keep in mind and challenge yourself, and always to have something on the side. Just don't do Instacart. I know it could be good in some areas. Some of you guys might be making 300, 400 a day. That's good money, but you know, it's still kind of taxing on your car, taxing on a lot of different things. And I just feel like you have the freedom then. If you're making that much, you don't need to work every day of the week, I would think. I don't know what the expenses would be in those areas, because I would assume it'd be higher if people are even paying that much, or tipping that much, I should say. But that's just my thoughts, and I want to share that with you guys, because Instacart can be sort of a rat race too. Like we like to say, we can work when we want. It's an entrepreneur, but it's a rat race. We're all in there shopping, trying to get the best orders, other people trying to get it too. It's a rat race, and really it's not too much different than a 9-to-5 if you have bills. Now, if you live at home, which I do, but I'm still an adult and I got businesses and stuff, but if you live at home with your parents and you are just getting out of high school or even in high school, it's clutch. It's a clutch ass job. Any gig worker's clutch at that point. But really sit back and assess and think about what you want to be doing. And another reason I'm even taking this course, because I personally need fourplexes and just apartment buildings. Like, that's what I want, to help have liquid cash all the time, and then I can go sell that property at any point. But anyway, guys, you guys will get filled in on that at a later date if you stick around. We have a lot more Instacart content coming, maybe Spark if I ever get accepted. And even though I might scale back, and I said I was going to do this for a year full time, I might still be able to do the weekend. So hopefully you guys stick around with my channel and support me. Not just have the Instacart content for your leisure entertainment, but hopefully I can inspire you guys or help motivate you guys to go try something else. Maybe some of the things I'm trying, or some other things that I might mention that it seemed lucrative or seem like it could be a better alternative to what we all are doing right now. So like always, I appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe. Send this video to anybody you guys think might enjoy it. I'm not sure that this video is actually like I don't know, niche content. It's Instacart, but it's not like narrowing down on anything in particular. But yeah, like always, guys, stay safe, stay positive, keep moving forward at all times, and I'll just catch you guys in the next video. See you guys.